Hey, what's going on, guys? Brian here with Elegant Outdoor Designs. We're here on a roof deck in West Town, literally wrapping up this job. We spent a lot of time out here building a roof decks from scratch and bringing all the material up, which took a couple days to do by itself. But I'll show you what's going on here. Show you the countertops and the built-in gas grill with the fridge and sink. I'll flip the camera. So we did all those planters back there with the pergola. There's a bed swing back there, planters for the trees. These are birch trees. So we put in irrigation lines that run behind the planters, but inside through here, under the fabric, so there'll be white stone marble inside here when it's done. Every planter here besides the herb garden has irrigation. But here's the built-in bar grill, wrapped in red cedar, premium wood. We went with quartz, Duresco, white velvet countertop. Turned out really nice. Has a nice smooth top, smooth edge, kind of like a ripple effect on top. Not that noticeable. It feels like leather, sort of, you know. Gorgeous view. So when they have 5 or 6 chairs out here hanging out by the bar top, you get to see the skyline at night time. It's pretty cool. We just got some finishing touches to do, such as like washing down everything, polishing the stainless steel appliances. We just have to go in there and do some minor tweaks in there, but the gas grill is on and it's operational. I'll show you the sink here, fully operational. So they can wash their stuff after dinner. I'll show you the grill. So everything's all on. Temperature gauge is working. It's heating up inside. I'll show you the inside. There's lights on the inside. This is actually ceramic, so it gives a nice even grill effect. And then down below here, there's blue lights right there. So there's switches here that control it. So I turn off this switch, it turns off the top lights. And then that light there, when it's not, you know, highlighted in blue, lights turn off there. So it's pretty cool. But everything works, everything's all set up, so now I'll turn off the gas grill. Since we just did a test there to make sure that that's operational. There's Andy. Well, we just gotta finish up some stuff here, and I'll show you that pergola a little bit later. Let us know what you think about this job and the countertops. Thanks for watching.